Who have you told that you bought a new car?
I'm going to talk to Kalina. Well, I'm in a family group text. Why I'm trying to get hard to drive. I can't drive that whole car. My mom said, when you hide now, I got that much money you can hide. Just have 2 cars.
You have to tell her just we want something simple, not. I mean, maybe later on when we're done with the truck, then we'll get a family SUV. What did you tell your mom?
She called me today. Where you at? Where you calling? Oh, yeah, work.
What's the Toyota Highlander? 60,000.
It look ugly though. Sequoia look better, but then at 80,000.
What's a Sequoia? Tia friend, Sangha.
Yeah,
Which one does my sister have? Tia?
RAV4.
I don't like hers.
4Runner. It's an old school, but the new one look.
I don't know. Something about my sister's car don't sit comfortable. Tia.
Cause she get the basic, yeah, get the like TRD Pro one. TRD Pro.
But
one
she paid $800 a month.
Right.
No.
The TRD Pro one is you gotta get a top of the line, like different 4Runner.
I think she paid it off and then she refinanced it. You get it? Michelle tried to come today. I was on the phone with Caitlin. And Caitlin's like, just be nice. I was like, all right, I'm not gonna block my blessing. She's like, look, my new car. She bought a BMW.
What year?
001.
Where you gonna buy an old BMW?
Well, she already have a Mercedes, but now she got a BMW. First, her other Silver, it still works, and then she got this one where she got her money. But I mean, at least that's good. She take it to buy a car, at least she didn't take it back to fucking play bingo. And then her birthday's today, so she did her birthday party at over here. Try and invite me. I'm like, no, I'm not gonna go. I don't friends with Snake. And then Vivian was like, dang, Sammy, you fucking not a smile. Most people just mad dog. I'm like, no. And then Vivian, she's like, Sammy, you're so blessed. Everybody come in the store, they talk to you, they like you. Like for me, nobody even talk to me or even look at me. I like her because I work here. That's what I told her. Like laughing at myself. What the hell, Vivian? You crazy. I work here. People are gonna have to talk to me, you know? Well, she thought that we trade in the truck. I'm like, no. We have the truck, but not working. And then Tia had to explain to her, like, yes, we bought a car, not just for because we want a new car. I bet you everybody's gonna be surprised, like, how did you got it without anybody co-signing? So Shannon's like, yeah, he got approved with his name. She's like, that's good. Keep it up. That's Uncle Five. He drive it to work and she drive the 01. She let him drive the new one so he doesn't smoke in the car. And then the 01 she drive it because it's closer to her workplace, Santa Ana. So I tell her you deserve a new one too. She's like, yeah, but she don't want to do the payments. But I tell her, look at you. You always put so much money in the line. It adds up, you know. Bubba is clean. Somebody were complaining about this car wash today or yesterday on the mom front. That we were trying to get a hold of the owner. The owner's busy. But they don't go inside. They've been trying to call, but... Papa, what do you want from HEB?
Mommy, I'm trying to recording. Mom, I'm recording.